My name is Ed, and this is my wife, Kate.
Hi.
We've lived in this house now for about 10 years and just recently bought this new garage system. I can't believe we waited that long to get it because it has been so life-changing.
Our garage was so cluttered and hard to clean that we never used the space. We didn't even know where our stuff was. We never used the things we had because we couldn't find them.
That's true. The other day I had to go buy a new wrench. Even though I knew I had one somewhere, I just couldn't find it.
Well, let us show you how easy it was to get organized with our new garage storage set.
First of all, it was so great that the whole set fit into our SUV.
Because the units come folded up, it's very easy to bring them home from the store.
And they were very easy to assemble as well. I just had to unfold them, attach the tops and bottoms, and put them where I wanted them. That's genius.
All hardware is included, so we didn't have to worry about having bolts and screws at home.
It was truly the most frustration-free assembly experience I have ever had. Unlike other garage storage systems I looked at, these are 24 inches deep, not the standard 18 inches. That provides me more cubic foot of storage for all of my stuff.
Each unit was sold separately so we could get exactly what we needed for our garage. This is the 4-drawer cabinet.
I have here, the heart of this set, my tools. They look great in these drawers. It's so easy for me to keep them organized, and I know exactly where everything is. The full extension ball-bearing drawer slides hold up to 100 pounds. That's a lot of weight. And the raise and release latching system keeps the drawers tightly closed.
We also have a 2-door base cabinet. The magnetic latches keep it closed, or you can lock it whenever you want to.
We were able to buy worktops for both base cabinets. We chose the stainless steel ones, but there's also galvanized steel available.
They all have adjustable feet to keep the unit steady.
We also got a couple of pegboards where I can hang tools that I use a lot.
These holes allow cords to access the outlet, so we have power up here.
This is the 1-door top cabinet. It has gas struts, which make it effortless to open and close.
And that's a great addition because it makes my life easy. This is where I keep my gardening stuff.
This one is the tall cabinet. It's perfect for all of our oversized items.
We keep our rake, our shovel, our broom. All our long items go in here.
Now let's look at the stacking units. These are 2 cabinets that can stack one on top of the other.
This one allows us to have the height of the tall unit, but gives us more shelf space.
One of the things I really appreciate about this Montezuma garage storage set is it only has soft corners. If you've ever walked into the corner of a workbench, you know what I'm talking about. Each one of these cabinets has an adjustable shelf, so you can choose where to put it based on what you want to store inside.
The durable powder coat paint keeps the color from fading. It'll look great for years, even if we want to keep the garage door open. Well, I feel like we've accomplished an awful lot this past week. Our garage looks so much better. Now we have all of our stuff organized, and it's safe and easy to access.
And best of all, in my opinion, was the frustration-free assembly. I love our new garage.
I love it too.
Whether you're at work, home, or on the farm, we are here to ensure that your life is organized.